Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we're going to prepare some amazing jerk pork chops. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my pork chops and they're already cleaned and washed with my lime and my vinegar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and start seasoning. Now I'm gonna go in and add some of my garlic salt, and try not to add too much of that garlic salt because it's very salty, and you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. I will also go in and add some of my paprika. Of course, I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. If you guys have other seasoning that you want to add to your pork chops, you can always go ahead and do so. And then I'm gonna go in with my Walkers with jerk and I'm gonna add some of it as well. Combine all of that goodness together because you want to ensure that this is nicely seasoned. Once I'm finished seasoning, I will just go ahead and cover it and just put it in the fridge until Sunday. We're gonna prepare this on Sunday for Sunday dinner. All right, so you can always go ahead and have this pork chop with some rice and peas. You can have it with some white rice. Whatever you have at home, you can always go ahead and prepare it. Guys, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local meat shop, and of course you'll get pork chops there as well. So it is Sunday and it's time to start preparing this amazing pork chops. Of course, I went ahead and fire up my jerk pan, and of course I didn't add too much cold, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in and start adding my pork chops, of course. And you don't want these to burn, so you don't want a big fire, just a small fire underneath it. And basically we're gonna put the pork chops on top and we're just gonna allow this to cook. And you want to ensure that you check this at least every 15 or so minutes because you're just gonna allow it to just slow cook. So after 15 minutes, this is what my pork chops look like. So basically I'm gonna flip it over on the other side because I want the other side to cook as well nicely. And as I said, you don't want a big fire. A small fire is perfect because you just want it to slowly cook. All right, so this should take you roughly about 50 minutes or so. Really easy, really simple, and you can always go ahead and prepare an amazing sauce for it. And you can always let me know what you think about this amazing jerk pork chop. So this is it, guys, looking all lovely and nice. If you have some red stripe beer, you can always go ahead and put red stripe beer over it, or if you don't have any, you can easily just go without. So we're just gonna remove our pork chops and then we're gonna go on the inside and we're gonna slice into it and see how it is done. And I like my pork chops well done. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and slice into this and see how the inside is looking. And it is perfect. As I said, you guys can always go ahead and make an amazing gravy for it, or you can just pour some red stripe beer over it, if just in case you don't want to have it with any gravy. And basically the red stripe beer will just help it to keep moist and all of that goodness. You can pour some ketchup over it and add some ketchup. So basically this is the final product of my amazing jerk pork chops. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. As you can see, I went ahead and served it up with some rice and peas, some fried chicken, and some tomatoes on the side, and I make an amazing gravy for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We are on our way to 9K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing. Bye guys, and thank you for watching.